We were reading chapter the 5. Let's continue with the same one. Now my voice is audible, Akul? Okay. So let's continue with the same chapter. Adversary means opposite, opponent, enemy. So what happened, up to which page we have done?
52 at last शुरू करना है, but you are to go नहीं. But you are to go.
So here, page number 51, last part we were reading yesterday. So Ranji was taught how to dive. So when Ranji experienced this thing, he said it was really very easy, and he was treading the water. He was waiting for a further challenge. Okay, so next person, Suraj asked him, can't you dive? So Ranji said no. Okay, so what was his style of jumping? You can say he was able to jump straight in. Okay, but he was saying that if you tell me how, so what will be its reply? He would dive only. Okay, so the way how one should dive, the way was discussed, that one has to stand on a rock, stretch his arms, okay, and allow head to displace your feet. So in this way they were doing. Okay, so same activity was done. So when this activity is done, so he landed very much flat on his belly, and there was a very big crash. Even after listening to such kind of crash, the birds also started screaming. Okay, and Ranji, he couldn't control on his laugh. He laughed badly. So now let's start page number 52. So 52. Okay, Harman, you read page number 52. Afterwards, I will be explaining you.
यहाँ से शुरू करना है.
नहीं, are you trying to empty the? I haven't discussed yesterday.
मैम डिस्कस नहीं किया था, वैसे रीड हो गया था.
Okay. रनिंग है 15 मिनट तक यहाँ पे. So after such action, what happened? He asked that by doing such kind of jumping, you are going to empty the pool. Okay, so he was just spouting like a whale. Okay, it means he was diving, he was going in that water just like a whale. So the boy, he was very much confident, and he really felt proud on this act, and he asked that it was not a good act. Okay, so Ranji said, no, it was not very good. You should do more and more practice, and next time I will be seeing you how you do. Okay, and he pulled himself upon a rock. He executed another perfect dive. Okay, and the boy was waiting for him to come up, but swimming underwater, so Ranji encircled him, and he came upon him from behind. Okay, so Ranji, after that, Ranji asked him that you are not able to swim underwater, but he said, no, I'm not able to swim underwater, but I can try it. Okay, so he basically made tremendous effort. Tremendous means so many efforts he made to plunge. Plunge means to dive into the bottom of the pool, and he thought that he had gone right down. Okay, he went into his bottom like a duck, and he was remaining above surface. So this was a style, this was the way he was doing swimming. Okay, but Ranji, he did not discourage him. It was not bad because he was doing his level best. He was trying his level best. Okay, he simply told him that you are doing well, but you need a little bit more practice. Okay, so his enemy asked him, will you teach me? Because if I'm not doing so well, I need more practice. So will you be able to teach me? So he said, okay, if you like, I will definitely teach you that how to swim in water. Okay, so see the level of confidence he was having. He was saying that, okay, if you would be teaching me, okay, you must teach me, because if you would not teach me, I will beat you. So this was a fun which was created between these two enemies. Okay, so he asked him, would you like to come here daily, and would you like to teach me? Okay, so they started doing practice of that. They were pulling themselves out of the water. They were sitting side by side on a smooth gray rock. Okay, and he said, my name is Suraj. Okay, and he asked the warrior, his enemy, that what's your name? He said that his name is Ranji. Okay, so Suraj asked that I'm strong, am I not? Okay, he was bending his arm. Okay, so that he can, you can say, ball of muscle was standing up like that. Okay, and he was stretching the white of his flesh. So Ranji said, yes, you are very strong, and from your body, the way you are pulling your muscles like that, so you are seeming just like a real Pahalwan. Okay, and one day I will be the world's best champion wrestler, Suraj said. So Suraj expressed his desire that one day he would be becoming a good champion wrestler, and he was slapping his thighs. Okay, and which shook with the impact of his hand. It means he was showing his muscles like thighs and muscles. Okay, and he was critically looking at Ranji's body. On the other hand, how was Ranji's body? Ranji's body was very much hard. It was very much thin. Okay, but he said that you are really very strong. Okay, so he conceded like that. He admitted. Okay, but the thing is that you are strong, but you are thin. You are bony. Bony means you are very much skinny. You are very much thin. Okay, I know you people do not eat enough. You must come and have your food with me. So he said that you are so bony, you are so thin. The thing is that you do not eat too much. You should come and you should eat with me. Okay, and you should drink 1 seer of milk every day. Seer is basically, you can say, basically a seer, a unit of weight that is used. Okay, in India, it was just like a seer, you can say little less than a kg, you can say, liter. Okay, 1 seer, seer means 1 seer. It means you should drink near about 1 liter of milk daily along with me. Only then you will become, you can say, a little bit fat. Okay, we have got our own cow. So he said that we are having our own cow. So you can drink milk of that cow. In this way, you will become little bit fat. You will gain some weight. Okay, Lavish, you come and read.
You are strong, said Ranji. You are a real Pahalwan. One day I will be world champion wrestler, said Suraj, slapping his thighs which shook with the impact of his hand. He he looked critically at Ranji's hard, thin body. You are quite strong yourself, he considered. But you are too bony. I know you people do not eat enough. You must come and have your food with me. I drink 1 seer of milk every day. We have got our own cow. Be my friend. I will make you a pahalwan like me. I know if you teach me to dive and swim underwater, I will make you a pahalwan. That is fair, isn't it? That is fair, said Ranji. Though he doubted he was getting the better experience of exchange. Suraj put his arm around the younger boy and said, "We are friends now, yes?" They looked at each other with honest, unflinching eyes, and that moment, love and understanding were born. "We are friends," said Ranji. The birds had settled again in their branches, and the pool was quiet and limped in the shade of the salt trees. "It is our pool," said Suraj. "Nobody else can come here without our permission." "Who would dare? Who would dare?" said Ranji, smiling with the knowledge that he had won the day.
So he said that you are, he said to Ranchi that you are strong, but the thing is that your body is not so fat. You are so bony, so you should drink cow's milk. In our house, there is one cow. So you should come along with me and you should consume cow milk. And he said that you just be my friend because I will make you a pahalwan like me because you are bony, but you should drink milk, you should be like me, you should do exercise with me, you should do that, all the pahalwani like that, you should do wrestling. So he said, okay, I will teach you how to dive and swim underwater. And next, that person, he would be teaching him how to become a pahalwan. So that was really fair that one friend was the both of the enemies, they became friend. They had a commitment. One would be teaching wrestling and another would be teaching swimming and diving under water. Okay. So that was really fair, Ranji said. So he said yes, if he was getting the better of the exchange. So he was having one doubt that whatever they were going to exchange, because they were going to exchange their skills. So it was really better or not. So Suraj, he was so strong. So he put his arm around the younger boy and said, we are now friends. Okay. So they were looking at each other and they were looking with honesty, unflinching eyes. Unflinching eyes means their eyes were not blinking, because when they were having faith and trust, they were looking into each other's eyes. There was a faith in each other's eyes, in each other's eyes. So they were not flinching basically. So flinching means they were not blinking. They were not blinking their eyes. So write down the meaning of unflinching. Unflinching means, yes, very good. It is without blinking. So now they both became friends of each other. Okay. And there was a complete love and understanding between them. And Ranji said, yes, now we both are friends. Okay. So the birds, again, they settled in their branches. Pool was very much quiet and limpid in the shade of a sal tree. So limpid means it was very much clear as it was earlier. So write down the meaning of limpid also. Limpid means clear, neat. Okay. Pool was now quiet. It was so clear in the shade of the sal tree. Sal is the name of a tree. So Suraj said, okay, now this pool is ours. Okay. Nobody else can come here without our permission. Who would dare? It means who would have courage to come here? Okay. So Ranji said, and they were smiling with the knowledge that now he had won the day, because they were having a smile, because now they have won the day. Both have become good friends, and there was a very good commitment between them. Now let's do comprehension check of this chapter. What is that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? What is that? Yesterday we have gone through this text, that what was that he was not able to explain to its mother at home. So from Sharanjot, you tell me, from online. Yes, from Sharanjot, you are raising your hand.
And he was finding difficult to tell the cuts and the wounds on his legs and arms on the face.
Okay. Arish. Because during that fight, he got so many cuts and bruises on his. Yes, it was really unusual fight, and it was very difficult to explain at home. Clear? Very simple answer is this. Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. Adversary means enemy, opponent, rival. So he saw his adversary in the bazaar, in the market. What does he wish to do? Lavish. Yes, his first wish was to feel like turning away and to go on another way. And his second thought was to hit the enemy with, but he did one of the thing. He did neither of the thing. He did not hit him. He neither hit him nor he turned his way. What does he actually do and why? He was only scowled. Yes. He was standing at the same place, and he was only staring, scowling, staring at the opponent. Yes. Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? See, there was a commitment between them that on the very next day they would be meeting. There would be a second fight. So Ranji, he was not eager for the second fight. But why does he go back to the pool? And who is talking? So what was the reason?
And he knew that if he could not go on the moon, then the other boy would take all the control over it, and he would be beaten all the way.
He decided to go back to the pool. Why so? To gain his
Respect.
self-respect.
And he thought that as long he fought it, he would have a right of it.
Yes. And he also thought this thing. Yes. So for self-respect, not to accept his defeat, for his dignity, for his right also. So he decided to go into that pool on the very next day. Okay? Because he thinks if he would be surrendering, it means he has to surrender forever in future. And he would be beaten all the times. He would be beaten all the time. Now question number 4 we have. Who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? Lavish?
He knows how to dive and when seeing his life, he was astonished that
Good. Yes, you tell me. Same answer. Teach him or taught him? Only this much? This girl, Anjani.
He was the best swimmer. He knew it and swim across the pool as Suraj challenged him to swim across and fight him, or perhaps he could not swim the length of the stream.
See, Ranji was basically a very better swimmer, okay, because he could dive very long into the water.
And his dive was like a knife.
Yes, his dive was very smooth. Okay. What surprises the warrior? What surprises the warrior? Good.
When Ranji gave a demo of diving, he dived and swam underwater and came from the behind of the warrior. Then Suraj was astonished of his quality of swimming underwater.
Ranji's diving skills surprises the warrior as the warrior could not swim.
Okay, see. So Ranji basically tried another perfect dive. So when he was swimming underwater, he circles Suraj and comes upon him from behind. Because Suraj was so surprised, where has Ranji gone? So Ranji, where was he? He came from behind. So that's why Suraj was surprised to see Ranji's skill. Okay. Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? They forgot about their fight. Okay. They forgot about their fight because their interest now changed. Their interest was to learn something new. So they exchanged their skill. One was ready to teach how to swim and how to dive, and another was ready to teach how to become a wrestler. So both were having different kind of skills. Both were proficient in those skills. So both took a very good decision that instead of becoming an enemy, they should both become like a friend. So they should both become like a friend. Okay. बीच में तुम लोग को चुप करवाती जाऊं मैं? Now, what they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? Only one Taranya is there in my class. Others are the yes, Pari. Yes, good.
They didn't continue the fight as their interest changed and when they saw their each other's skills as
everyone has a gift from God. Everyone has a gift from God with different skills. As Ranji had the skill of diving and swimming underwater, and Suraj had the skill of his power and power of the body.
Because their interest was now not towards the fight. Their interest completely got changed. Their attention got diverted. Where has their attention gone? To learn new skills, to teach new skills to each other. So this was the reason. Okay. Ranji's superiority over the other boys obvious in the following: physical strength, good diving, his being a fighter, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point, willingness to help. Okay. So you just tell me the relevant phrases.
Good diving,
Okay, good diving.
sense of
Okay, swimming underwater, yes.
willingness to help,
Willingness to help, yes.
making a good point.
Sense of, only these four are 4-5 suits according to Ranji's personality. Next we have, what according to you makes the two adversaries turn into good friends? So two adversaries means two enemies. So what according to you, what was the basic thing that two enemies now they become good friends in a matter of minutes? So how you have got it, how you have understood it, that how they both enemies who were, you can say, fighting so badly, hitting each other, wanted to kill each other, okay, but now they became very good friends. What was the reason? You tell according to your own mentality. Yes. Okay. You tell me.
Both of them realize that neither of them can win the fight. Then they find better skills in each other, which they themselves will not better. Otherwise, see how well the branches swim underwater and diving. He forgot about the fight and asked him to teach him swimming and share each other's skills and become some friends.
Ishan, you tell me same answer.
According to me, the getting better exchange of the skills made them friends.
Only this much? Only this much?
At first, they both only knew about the ability of the Suraj, of his powers, but Suraj thought itself superior than Ranji. But afterward, when he knew about the skill of Ranji, of diving and swimming in the water, he was fascinated and he wanted to learn that skill.
Bache, there are not only 1-2 reasons, there are so many reasons, and this answer will be discussed in detail tomorrow. I will be discussing this answer in detail. By the time I am giving you homework, go through this chapter again, find out the reason, try to make guesses also, and accumulate so many points. We will be discussing this question in detail tomorrow.